Are you looking for reverse engineering, 3D modeling, STL conversions and rendering experts? Yes, you are in the right place to complete your task. We specialize in reverse engineering, file conversion, STL, STEP, IGES, DWG, etc. 3D printing files, 3D modeling and rendering, 2D design and technical detailing, deliverables, STL, STEP, IGES, DWG, DXF, 3D solid, STEP editable, manufacturing CAD files and PDF. Services we offer: manufacturing components, metal or plastic, engine parts, human body and sculpture modeling, mold and die design with analysis, home appliances and car components. With over 10 years of experience in SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Fusion 360, Geomagic Design X, CATIA and more, we have completed 800 plus projects. For contact, website reversecad.com, email reversecadpro@gmail.com, WhatsApp 01683 584011.